Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I had a video, but I had a lot of stuff going on. And today I am actually going to be using 3 products from the Alikay Naturals. I really want to try those. They have those at our local Target. Is the Essential 17. And then it's the Pomade-to-oil treatment by Mielle. And also I have the lemongrass conditioner leave-in, and I have the Shea yogurt hair moisturizer. So these are the 4 products that I'm going to be using in my hair to do a braid out. Next, I want to tell you exactly what type of hair I have. My hair is like faux-y, a little bit of faux B in the back, but not a lot. My hair is the type that when it gets wet, it doesn't just have like these beautiful ringlets. I have to actually put product in my hair to bring out my curls and to keep moisture. Sometimes people with this type of hair, they'll say like, my hair is just like a Brillo pad. You have pretty hair, you have beautiful hair, you just have to learn what products work for you. What worked for me might not work for you. So enough with the talking. See you in a minute.
Alright guys, I'm back and I just finished shampooing and deep conditioning my hair. I put it in full little puffs to make doing this style easier. Now I'm going to take this out and I'm going to part it to start my braid out. Here I'm oiling my scalp, massaging it, spraying the leave-in conditioner. Alright, now after I work my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to apply my Shea yogurt, my Mielle. Next, I'm going to take my Denman brush. I'm going to brush through. And now I'm going to just braid my hair straight down. Now, I've already kind of braided it. My camera messed up, so I had to like redo some of it. And I did put a little bit of the Shea yogurt on the ends to curl it. Now it's time to put the satin bonnet on. And night-night. Now it's in the morning. I'm taking off my satin cap. My braids are pretty much dry. Yeah. Being a little bit extra. Now I'm gonna unbraid my braids, and as you can see, they're pretty defined. Looking good. Now I'm gonna do the rest of them. Now I'm gonna take my pick and kind of up pick the roots. I guess that's what you call it. And voila, I like it. Came out good. I think I'm gonna keep trying Alikay Naturals. I love it. Thumbs up. Well, bye bye guys.